Okay, welcome to another reaction video of Young Justice. 10 minutes of greatness and 20 minutes for me and 10 minutes for you. Let's just start this. Jesus, what the hell? Why is that the start of the episode? Okay, so what the hell is what is really happening here on Project Cadmus?
Yes, very sorry to disturb you at this late hour.
Just make your report.
Who the hell is this?
Well, we had a small fire here at Project Cadmus. The origin of the incident is still unclear, but it seems to have attracted some unwanted attention.
By the... Oh my god!
Aqualad and Kid Flash breached security.
Why are they there?
The weapon, the Superboy. Of course, the clone is under our telepathic control and, as ordered, turned against his would-be liberators. The three are contained, and we don't believe the League knows they're here.
Yeah.
What should I do with them?
Clone.
If the League knows,
The substitutes will serve the light, and only the light.
you're gonna clone them?
The originals.
What?
Dispose of them.
What?
Leave no
No! Are you kidding me? That's really not gonna happen. The fireworks, okay. They're not gonna clone them. That will not happen.
Steering, you're creeping me out!
KF.
Face!
How about
Face!
pick off the guy who can fry us with a look?
Yep.
Prepare the cloning procedure for the new Project Sidekick.
Project Sidekick? Really? That's the name?
Free you and you turn on us. How's that for gratitude?
Kid, please be quiet now.
Yeah, you're just gonna make it worse.
Friend was not in full control of his actions.
Oh wow.
What if I-
It's just gonna...
What if I wasn't?
He can talk.
Don't control the brain of Superboy.
He can.
Have they ever actually let you see the sky?
No?
Or the sun?
Images are implanted in my mind, but no. The DNA of the Superman.
Oh,
Created
so he
to
knows.
replace him should he perish. To destroy him should he turn from the light.
Excuse me?
To be like Superman is a worthy aspiration.
You can help with the sidekick. Can be your own.
Because of Cadmus. It is my home!
Your home is a test tube.
You're an
You can show
experiment.
The sun.
Pretty sure it's after midnight. But we can show you the moon.
We can show you, introduce you to Superman.
Yeah, you can be your own sidekick.
Can't.
God damn it. Dude, get out.
Otherwise occupied.
Where are the Justice League? Show.
Pass. Batcave's crowded enough.
And get the weapon back in its pod.
It's not a weapon. He's a human.
It's the
That's perfect, dude. Wait, are they gonna really clone them? What the hell? No! Why? Come on, Robin! God damn it!
Superboy, you live. That gives you the right to follow your own path.
Okay, super hearing, he knows. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
The choice is yours. But ask yourself, what would Superman do?
Help those sidekicks! Yes! Come on, Superboy! You're not a fucking weapon, you're a fucking hero! Yes, please! There we go, Jesus Christ.
I told you to get back to your...
Punch him! Yeet!
Don't you give me orders either.
Okay, well... Oh, wow! It's like a fucking marshmallow! Okay, good, they're all out. Good, 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 good.
You'll never get out of here. I'll have
Oh,
you
they
back
can.
once before morning.
They can.
Guy is not whelmed. Not whelmed enough.
What is it with you and this whelmed thing?
Good! Finally!
Activate
Screw you.
Xenomorph in Cadmus.
Well, they're really a trained sidekick, so they can really get out of here. Jesus. Gee, okay, one point. Oh! Is he dead? Okay, he's alive, gee.
The goal is escape, not to bury ourselves here.
You want to escape?
Oh! Okay, then escape then.
Don't apologize. This is perfect.
Why? Oh, the vents.
But he neglected the motion sensors.
God damn it.
Are closing in. They're all coming out in
Dude,
here.
all of the Justice League will fucking beat your ass out if they knew this. Oh, they're gonna go up. Okay, what will happen now? Ah!
He hacked the motion sensors.
Motion sensors. Sweet.
Good.
Still plenty of them between us and out.
But I finally got room to move.
Oh, time to run, Kid Flash. The music, hell yeah.
More behind us.
Whoa. No! Phase! Can you not phase through the walls?
Street.
Thanks. My head hadn't noticed.
Can't hack this fast enough.
Oh no, do not mind control them. No! Really?
Perhaps for the sake of all Xenomorphs, our brother Superboy should make up his own mind.
It was you.
Yes, brother. I set the fire and lured your new friends down into Cadmus. Woke them when they were in danger.
And guided me. Why?
Yeah, why?
Because you are our hope, the Xenomorph hero. You will blaze a trail for all our brothers, showing us the way to freedom.
Oh, so they're working against the... Oh! They're working against the laboratory guys, lab guys.
Is your choice, brother.
Help them then. Oh no. Oh no, what will happen now? Oh no. Okay, oh, never mind, he can do shit either. What the f- Okay, what can I do? Okay. They're losing badly. God. Nothing works, nothing works. Oh my god, we're getting smashed all over the place. We're gonna explode. Bye bye. Oh, the whole building is down. Oh, of course that happened. Now all of the Justice League will know what the hell did you do here. Ooh. Oh, Shazam! Oh my god, Red Tornado! Martian Manhunter, I do not know that wizardy one. Oh my god, all of the heroes, Hawkman, Wonder Woman! What the hell, and Green Lantern! Okay, where the hell is the Flash? Oh, that's a Flash. And Green Lantern, oh my god, all of the heroes are here! Okay, all of them are here. Oh no, are they gonna be disappointed or what? Oh. They're gonna get along together, I just know of it.
Today is the day.
Okay, good.
Cadmus
Okay, so
shaped
now
us today.
they're doing things like the
Destined
Justice League
application
way,
of
but
place me in
more
charge.
covert
Dr.
missions.
Spencer, your acting chief scientist. No more genome suppressing our wills. No more secret
Good,
breeding
Guardian.
projects. This
But one that can be played to our advantage. Even the temporary loss of the weapon may prove useful. Eventually,
What are they? What is their plan?
one sees the light.
We don't want that. Oh, it's done already. Well, that episode is kind of weird, but I like it. I mean, the choice between them being their own league instead being the sidekicks of the Justice League means a lot to them because they can do all their work in their own choices. I think the speech of Aqualad there that and Superboy that is make us to do this thing or don't get on their way. It's just wrong for their training. I mean, is that what they all want to be? Is that they want to be remembered by their own trainers who wants good? And I really want to see Speedy on the team, not Miss Martian, but that's fine. I can study her character, but I mean Roy, he's just a stubborn sidekick, so I guess we're not seeing him in any future episodes, I guess. I don't know. And I'm really curious what the light is going to be. I mean, the last sentence here is everyone will see the light. And what is the plan of the villains here? I do not even know who are the villains. Is the light the villains? I do not know. Well, that's Young Justice for you. See you next time.